If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. We're seeing some really good early positive signs with this Bitcoin push up over here. We are coming up to this high. We can see that all of these targets are slightly beneath that high. So we would need to see a break of $31,831 for us to get further bullish continuation. We need to be careful of any bearish divergences that appear over here or failure of breaking the high. Now, if you remember in my last update, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share, that we were suggesting as long as we are maintaining above $28,144 that we would go ahead and meet these targets over here. We finally got that push above 2930k over here, and then we've seen that strength in Bitcoin to come back up to this. But I would still consider Bitcoin bearish underneath this high. We haven't negated this range yet, so we're still within the range. It just seems that as long as we are above 28,100, we're going to the range high over here. I was believing that it was the 2930k area because 30k is a psychological level, but technically speaking, if you do break above that psychological level, looking to the left, we do see that our highest point over here is 31,800. So you are actually yet to invalidate further downside. We are just essentially at the moment breaking through this layer of resistance over here and then coming up to this one. So that's our new range for now. We can see it was previously support, as I've mentioned in the past, and a resistance over here. So the fact that we were using it as resistance for some days there, and then we managed to break out over here, it just means that we are coming up to this point. But while we are still below this, you do have risks of dumping. You could eventually, even if you meet all these targets, have a dead cat bounce and still fall lower. So there's a lot of work still to do, but we've got some really good positive early signs on the Bitcoin chart. And I want to know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you believe that we will break $31,777? I'm going to finally end off the video by using my Fibonacci's, going from this 31.7k high to this 25, let's just say 25k low over here. And if we were to ever break out of this high, Bitcoin could be in for some crazy bullish moves. In fact, we have pushed through the golden pocket as well as the 786 fib. So the only thing in the way is this 31.8k level. And if we do see bearish divergences before the breakout, that could signal that this move over here, what currently happening, is topping out. So we need to really be careful if there's bearish divergences underneath $31,800, that this move to that we're currently seeing right now could be at the end, and then we start to roll over. So we really need to see price pushing through $31,800, and then we would look at 34, 35, 37 as our next set of targets. But I would not really focus on that right now. I'm not really getting excited right now. I really want to see the break of $31,800, and then we can start to get a little bit excited. But I personally just wouldn't, because yeah, there's a lot of fake outs that can happen and whatnot. And yeah, we just need to really play it by move, pretty much. So I want to know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you think we'll get up to these targets? Do you think bearish divergences or a failure to break this high will happen before $31,800? If any of you are interested in learning how to trade just like me, there's multiple options. Click this ebook. It covers all the strategies that I use in these YouTube updates, so you will have all the same skills. Covers the Japanese candlestick, chart patterns, support and resistance, why I use EMAs over trend lines, Fibonacci's, divergences, and again, using these all together to profit using them. I've also got a discount on my course at the moment, which ends at the end of this month. So that's down to £100. You also gain free access to my Discord community for the next 3 months, where you can expect to be a part of 12 to 24 group mentorship calls. If you want something that's a bit more personalized to your needs, then join my one-to-one mentorship plan. You can choose 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help, and included will be the 3 months free in the community, as well as my 6-hour long video course.